What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and hope you're all having a great weekend, or at least a great start of the weekend, and welcome to this update on Dogecoin. In this video, we'll talk about why we have been crashing quite hard, and crashing, did I say crashing? Crashing quite hard. And especially yesterday. Yesterday we had quite a big crash. From 9 o'clock we went down from 8.6 to 7.5, which was unexpected for me. At least it was a fundamental move. It doesn't really have anything to do with Dogecoin specifically, but it does have a lot of things to do with the crypto markets. So let's get right into it. First of all, why it happened, and then what I expect for this upcoming weekend, and also kind of the start of the week, because I cover Dogecoin quite a lot. All right, so I'll still make updates tomorrow and Monday, kind of to make a more recent and accurate analysis. So the main thing why we dropped down is it's purely, as I said, fundamental. It's about the crypto market. We didn't get the interest rate results we wanted on Wednesday, which already started a drop down. Basically, there was no change in monetary policy, which was one of the big drivers why we were actually bullish right here. Obviously, it was also news around Twitter. For Dogecoin, it's one of the main catalysts. It's always what happens at Twitter, and in relationship, especially to Dogecoin. However, it was also fueled, or it was at least supported by more bullish market circumstances, because we were expecting a change of monetary policy, which was good for risk on assets like crypto. Then it didn't happen. That made us drop down to 8.5, 8.4. And then, I mean, I underestimated it. I thought this was enough, but in the end, it turned out that not changing the monetary policy was actually more bearish. And then apart from that, you also have two other things kind of helping or supporting the drop down. And that is that Dogecoin is very fueled by fundamentals around Twitter and Elon Musk. And there has been a lot of news around that, but not necessarily positive, and also not about Dogecoin. So the hype is just kind of going away. The hype is still there, obviously, but hype cannot keep a price up very high, all right? And that's just not what hype is. Hype is sudden bursts of capital, which still could happen. We'll talk about that at the end of the video, but still. And apart from that, we also had some more fear instilled in the market around the auditing firm Mazars, which did the proof of reserves and stuff, and the news around big crypto exchanges, whether they actually held the funds of the users correctly. They pulled back. They don't want to do anything with crypto anymore. So that created some fear, like, all right, is there something going on? And a lot of outflows out of exchanges, of course, again. So that kind of happened, and that made us drop down to 7.5 cents, and that entire support level between 7.5 and 7 cents, which is a very strong support level. I expect that to hold for this weekend, but more so what I expect is that you can see we found support around 7.4, 7.5, which is the upper bound of the ski area. We already recovered a little bit up to 7.8, found resistance there. So what I expect now is that there's this very small support level around 7.6. I do expect us for today. I mean, it's the weekend. Volume is probably going to drop down over the next 24 hours. And with that, volatility is going to drop down as well. What I expect is that you know, we will get up a little bit more towards 7.98 cents. It would be amazing if we could break above that. Then we could actually recover up to 8.4. But something like this, I don't see happening. I think we are going to get up there, and then from there we'll drop back down and we'll start to fall until the night of Sunday on Monday. Now, Sunday on Monday, we always get a big move in crypto, which is going to be either bullish or bearish. And tomorrow I'll try to make more of a prediction on whether that's going to be bullish or bearish. But right now, hopefully you can understand, it's hard to predict after just having received a move like that. But I think that either way, we're going to stay on top of 7 cents. We're probably going to drop down to 7 cents at this point in time. That looks like the most likely scenario, but I do think that would hold, and that we could form some sort of a consolidation between 8 cents and 7 cents. And just to end this video, I do want to say that Dogecoin, if you compare it with other cryptos over the last 30 days, it has been one of the most strong cryptos. I mean, then we would be down from this 8.5 cents level. But still, other cryptos have dropped down significantly, especially altcoins, which Dogecoin is technically an altcoin. Especially they have fallen a lot, and Dogecoin has actually been holding its levels fairly well. All right, so keep your head up, and as I said earlier in the video, if anything happens regarding Twitter, if Elon Musk talks about Dogecoin again, we will be bullish and we will get back up to 9 cents, 9.2, and perhaps even higher. So keep your head up, and for now, enjoy the weekend. Have a great weekend, and bye.